To use speech to text with EquatIO for math, you click on the EquatIO extension. It will appear down at the bottom of your screen, and you are able to click on speech input. If it's the first time a student is using it, they would need to allow their mic and a pop-up icon will come up. And what they would do is click on Start Speech. They should already have in mind what they want to say. 2x plus 3 equals y. They can turn it off, and then they're able to click Insert Math. And it will appear in the page as an image. And when they're done with that, they click on Clear, and they can write their next equation. 3 equals 2x squared. And when they're done, they can turn it off. The extension bar can stay down at the bottom. If they wanted to edit an equation that they made, they can click on Edit Math, and they can just go ahead and type in it, or they can use their speech input again. 2x plus 3z equals y. Turn it off. Click on Insert Math. And it will change the equation. The student just needs to have the cursor where they would like the equation to appear to use it.